All right, we now know who will take the stage at one of Meridian's most well-known festivals.
Yeah, and the Jimmie Rodgers Foundation has announced an exciting lineup for this year's music festival. Fox 30's Chelsea Jones has the details.
The 63rd annual Jimmie Rodgers Music Festival will take place on May 6th and 7th at Meridian City Hall Green. The Jimmie Rodgers Foundation revealed the performance lineup today during a press conference at Union Station.
We took a long, hard look at the Jimmie Rodgers Festival, and we decided that we needed to be more relevant. We needed to appeal to a new age group. We needed to appeal to the history, but also the future of music.
The artists that will perform include Lucinda Williams, the Brothers Landreth, James McMurtry, The Lone Bellow, Billy Joe Shaver, Big Sandy and his Fly Right Boys, Blackberry Smoke, Cedric Burnside Project, Keller Williams, and Elizabeth Cook. These artists were chosen due to their appreciation of the Jimmie Rodgers Music Festival.
The mere fact that Hank Snow and Ernest Tubb and all these people started the festival and Elvis Presley has played it and so on, it means a lot. And that, you know, we want artists that appreciate the fact of that, and also to carry the message of Jimmie Rodgers. That's part of the reason of doing this festival.
The goal of the music festival is to celebrate the influence Jimmie Rodgers had on all types of music and to attract regional and international visitors. The event will include a talent competition, and Meridian Little Theater will feature a play that weekend detailing the life of Jimmie Rodgers as well.
Having lived in Meridian about 40 years, I knew who Jimmie Rodgers was, some facts about his life. But when I read this play, I saw what he suffered, not only with his terrible disease that he died of at an early age, but what he went through in his life that had changed him as a person and changed the music of America.
The Jimmie Rodgers Foundation encourages everyone to attend.
This event is fun. This event brings back history, it brings back memories, but more than that, this event pumps money into our community, it pumps excitement, it makes people glad they're here, it helps our self-esteem as far as citizens of our community are concerned.
Chelsea Jones reporting, Fox 30 News.
And don't forget, tickets go on sale Friday at 10 a.m. For more information regarding the festival, you can just visit JimmieRodgers.com.
Looks like a good show. Another one.
Expected to be a good show.